Okay, let's check out this house in Bridlewood. Got a swing garage, gutters. Roof looks newer. Definitely want to verify that. Nice arch in the front. Got some stone, that kind of lighter colored brick. Brick front porch. Good landscaping. Screen door's a little dated. It's alright. Front doors too, but no big deal. Got wood floors, or laminate, probably laminate wood. Coat closet coming in. You got a full bath right here with a bedroom over here. That looks like they're using it as a study. Coming in here, we got nice white pillars in the formal dining. And we got the living area, or sorry, formal living. We got your living area. Nice crown molding, can lights. Ooh, look at that kitchen. I say, god dang. Man, that's a nice kitchen. That is beautiful. Granite, 42-inch white cabinets. Ooh, appliances are a little dated. Why would they redo that kitchen and not swap those appliances? Hey, I guess they're white. Whatever. Stovetop in the middle. Check out the pantry. Nice. Good sized pantry. Little study nook area there. I wonder what this is. That's a pantry. Is it half bath? Oh no. Storage. That's cool. Storage underneath. Quite nice. Okay. There's the laundry room. Got a little sink in there. Let's look at the garage real quick. Nice sized garage. 2-car with about a half a car bump. Somebody's a woodworker. You can see that half car bump by looking at the front. And then let's look at the master on the back side, and then we'll go upstairs. Oh, backyard too. Master. Secondary closet here. That's cool. Looks like that was added after the fact. Nice large master. Tray ceiling with crown molding. Nice bathroom. Commode's open. There's in her vanity. Shower's been redone. Looking back here. Got a seat. Nice big garden tub. Nice closet. Let me show you how tall this guy goes. Man, that is up there. Nice closet. Back to the master. Let's show backyard real quick. Okay. A little shed back here. Nice and private. Very quiet, tall fence. Not super big, but definitely very private. This is all covered, which is cool. And let's come back inside. So master's down. There's another bedroom down, which they're currently using as a study. So I guess that's formal dining. Got the stairs headed up. right. Got a nice bump coming into this bedroom. Big bedroom up here. It's got the sink with sitting vanity. Put the closet off of it. Nice size closet. Bathroom, commode. Tub. Looks like they've updated some of the hardware, but not all. Another vanity here. Another closet. Real big closets upstairs. So you got 2 bedrooms up. What's this to? Oh, it's the attic. Dang. Put a whole nother room in there. I'm not going in there. It's hotter than 10,000 suns in there. No, sir. It's not for me. Okay. So, nice custom built home. Custom built floor plan. Get where you can see me. Some nice base and trim work. Looks good. Overall, nice house. Good neighborhood. Private. Pretty close to Green Valley Elementary. This house is 2,762 square feet. Built in 1996. Let me know if you have questions. Create a great day.